Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Don't worry, Doug. I'm not here to arrest you. I'm just worried about you. Let's make sure you're...
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want. Black.
Of course! I saw you here not long ago. Come on, get in! Thank you.
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
I hope you got your drip pan. I hereby dub thee.
Gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh,
aquí, recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMee!
Hello, Pete! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go.
That was fun. I know where there is some even bumpier track ahead.
Identified as crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
Oh, don't go out by yourself again. That tickle.
Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me.
I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa,
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Hey! What? What's going on? That's what I got. La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Oh boy, Francesco's brought to a screeching halt. Lightning McQueen is the first to take.
All in all, must be finished for good. McQueen cannot win the last.
Ce sont des pièces originales.
There you are.
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down